So, hello everyone. We are here with some JEE questions of April attempt. Last few shifts. So we have this question 0 to infinite ln of x upon x squared plus 4. So over here, if you let your x as 4 upon t, then dx will be what? Minus 4 by t square and then dt. So if you let this as I, so will your I become? This will be from infinite to 0. This is ln of 4 by t, and x square will be what? X square will be 4 square upon t square plus 4. Then dx is minus 4 by t square and then dt. Over here, this becomes infinite to 0. I'm gonna get ln of 4 minus ln of t. Okay, this will be, if you multiply with t square both up and down, you are gonna get what? You're gonna get 16 plus 4t square. If you multiply t square on the top, this t square will cancel out, so I'm gonna simply get what? Minus 4 over here, and then dt. What you do, you take the 4 outside. Okay, you take the 4 outside, so you are gonna have minus 4. This is infinite to 0, ln of 4 minus ln of t upon, if you take the 4 common, you are gonna have 4 plus t square. So 4 and 4 is gone, so you are gonna have minus infinite to 0. This will be ln of 4 minus ln of t and then dt divided by 4 plus t square. So over here, this is 0 to infinite ln of 4 divided by 4 plus t square dt minus 0 to infinite ln of t divided by 4 plus t square dt. And this stuff over here is my I. Now this is also I, so if you bring it over here, it will have 0 2I. This is 0 to infinite ln of 4 divided by 1 divided by t square plus 4 and then dt. So this will be 2I, and this is ln of 4 1 by 2 tan inverse t by 2. Okay, and this will be from 0 to infinite. So this is 2I ln of 4. This is half and tan inverse infinite. Okay, tan inverse infinite minus tan inverse 0. Now tan inverse infinite is pi by 2, tan inverse 0 is 0. So 2I, we can write this ln 2 square. So 2 times ln of 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So 2 and 2 gone. Bring the 2 on the bottom down. So you're gonna have your I as ln of 2 pi, and on the bottom I'm gonna have what? 4. Okay, so if you go back to your options, your option number A will be correct. Okay, your option number A will be correct. Now if you go to the next question I have, this is a question from trigonometry. Okay, we are given that x square minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, has its roots tan a and tan b. Okay, tan a and tan b are the roots. Okay, tan a and tan b are the roots of this equation. Okay, also we are supposed to find the value of 20 times sine square a plus b by 2. Okay, this is basically the question asked. So now what do I do over here? If tan a and tan b are the roots, I can write tan a plus tan b minus b by a, so that this will be 2, and then tan a into tan b, this will be c by a, that is what? Minus 5. Now what is tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b will be tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan of a plus b, this will be tan a plus tan b is 2, and 1 minus of minus 5. So tan of a plus b, this will be 2 divided by 6. So tan of a plus b, this becomes 1 by 3. Okay, tan of a plus b becomes 1 by 3. Now if you complete the triangle over here, tan theta is perpendicular by base, this is 1 and 3 over here, and over here I'm going to have root 10. So what will be cos of a plus b? Cos of a plus b will be 3 divided by root 10. Okay, cos of a plus b will be 3 divided by root 10. Now I know that 1 minus cos of a plus b is 2 sine square a plus b upon 2. So this is gonna be 1 minus 3 upon root 10. Okay, this is 2 sine square a plus b upon 2. But what do I need? I need 20 times. So I'm gonna multiply both sides by 10, and you just take the LCM over here. Okay, so if you multiply this with 10, you're gonna get 20 sine square a plus b by 2. Okay, now if you just cancel this stuff out here, okay, you're gonna get root 10 into root 10, then it'll become 10. So 10 minus 3 root 10 will be the correct answer to this particular question. Okay, now the next question I have is a popular question. Okay, so the question is, if alpha is equal to pi by 4 plus summation p equal to 1 to 11, tan inverse 2 to the p minus 1 upon 1 plus 2 to the power 2p minus 1. Okay, then this will be pi by 4 plus, you see, summation p equal to 1 to 11. This is tan inverse. I can write this 2 to the power p minus 2 to the power p minus 1. This will be 1 plus 2 to the power p into 2 to the power p minus 1. Now this is my formula over here. So this is pi by 4 plus summation p equal to 1 to 11. This is basically what, tan inverse of 2 to the p minus tan inverse of 2 to the p minus 1 over, and this is alpha. So your alpha is going to be pi by 4 plus, if you just put the values in over here, you're going to have tan inverse of 2 minus tan inverse of 2 to the power 0 plus tan inverse of 2 to the power 2 minus tan inverse of 2 to the power 1 plus tan inverse of 2 cube minus tan inverse of 2 square. Okay, now if you just see the thing over here, this will simply cancel out and this will also cancel out. So for 3 terms, tan inverse 2 cube is remains. So for 11 terms, we'll be left with pi by 4 plus tan inverse 2 to the 11 minus tan inverse of 1. Okay, so alpha, this is basically what, pi by 4 plus tan inverse 2 to the power 11 minus pi by 4. So this cancels out. Okay, so alpha is basically what, tan inverse of 2 to the power 11. So 2 to the power 11 will be tan alpha. Okay, that is basically your answer. Okay, so another very cool question. Okay, so there you go, I guess. Okay, now we have another question from binomial theorem. Okay, so I have a question from binomial theorem. So in expansion of in expansion of 9x minus 1 divided by 3 square root of x power 18, if the coefficient of the term independent of x is 221 into k, then the value of k is question mark. Okay, then the value of k is question mark. Now I have my options over here. Okay, so my options over here are: A is 82, B is 83, C is 84, D is 86. Now if you write your general term over here, general term will be TR plus 1. This is 18CR, 9x to the power 18 minus R, and this will be minus 1 by 3 root x to the power R. So this is 18CR, 9 to the power 18 minus R, x to the power 18 minus R. This will be minus 1 to the power R. On the bottom I have 3 to the power R, and root x to the power R is basically what, x to the power R by 2. So now basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate everything. Okay, I'm gonna separate everything. So if you separate everything, you're gonna have 18 CR, 9 to the power 18 minus R, then x to the power, you're gonna have what, 18 minus R by 2. Okay, and this is gonna be minus 1 to the power R divided by 3 to the power R. Now basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna equalize my power with 0. Okay, I'm gonna equalize my power with 0. So I'm gonna write this, what I'm gonna write this, 18 minus R by 2 is equal to 0. So this will be 36 minus 2R equal to 0. So 36 will, oh sorry, minus 3R equal to 0. So this is gonna be what, 36 is equal to 3R, so R will be equal to 12. Okay, if R is equal to 12, now I need my coefficient. So this is gonna be what, this is gonna be 18C12. Okay, 18C12, 9 to the power 18 minus 12, minus 1 power 12 becomes 1, and on the bottom I have 3 power 12. Okay, now the coefficient is given to you as what, the coefficient is given to you as 221 into k. Okay, this is given to you as 221 into k. Now if you just solve this stuff over here, you are gonna get your k as 84. Okay, if you solve this, you're gonna get k is equal to 84. So we'll solve another question. All right, so these are pretty cool questions actually. So now we have another summation question. Okay, so the question goes like, we need to find the sum of the value from n equal to 1 to 10, 528 upon n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, summation n equal to 1 to 10, 528 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So if a is 220, okay, b over here is 65, c over here is 130, d over here is 260. So what I can do over here, you see, I can write this thing basically as n equal to 1 to 10. Now take the 528 outside. The idea basically over here is to write final minus initial. So I will write n plus 2 minus n. If you write it that way, you have to divide by a 2 over here, okay, because 2 is being left out. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Now the idea is you split this. Okay, so if you split this over here, you are gonna get 528 by 2. This is summation n equal to 1 to 10. Now if you split this, you're gonna get 1 divided by n into n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Right, now if you just see this, if you put the summation formula here, the 528 by 2 is going to give you 264. Now over here n equal to 1, that will give you what, 1 by 2 minus 2 into 3. Okay, that is what, 1 by 6 plus again 3, the 1 by 6 minus this will be what, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 into 4 is going to be 1 by 12. Okay, the plus again, if you put n equal to 3, this will be 1 by 12, and this will be 4 into 5, 1 by 20. Okay, now this will carry on till 10. So this is going to be 1 by 10 into 11 minus 1 by 11 into 12. Okay, so if you see for these many terms, what happens, this cancels out. Okay, so this is going to be 264. This is 1 by 2 minus what, 1 by 132. If you just put the summation over here, 264, this will be 132. 132 by 2 is 66 minus 165. Okay, so if you just solve this, 2 times 65 will be what, it will be 130. So my option number 3, okay, is correct. So thank you. You can practice more such questions.